you need to increase the level of responsibility. And then the accountability will grow with the responsibility.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Again, we are in front of questions from the parents about some tips for parenting. The question comes from a parent who is asking, how can I encourage my son to be accountable for his actions? Well, accountability comes with responsibility. And there is supposedly to be a sequence of responsibilities that needs to be given to our children as they grow. Starting from the age of 3, 4, 5 years old, we need to start to give them some responsibilities and discuss with them. I imagine, for example, when our child is in the 5 years old, we need to give them some responsibilities for a child under 5 years old to be able to do. And then talk to them about accountability while giving them these instructions. When they grow to 6 years old, 7 years old, for example, if we can go to the shopping and say, can you please pick these stuff from the shelves and put them in the trolley for us? So the child can start taking responsibilities, and then we discuss with them. Oh, I made you responsible about putting this. You have done this right. You need to do better in this again. And then when they grow, you need to increase the level of responsibility so that you can discuss the accountability with them more until they become 14 years old, for example, and who start saying, I want you to use the public transport and go somewhere and pick up something for me or buy something and come back home, while you are monitoring the safety of your child and making sure that they are safe. You give them higher responsibilities, and then the accountability will grow with the responsibility. And then when they become 15, 16 years old, they need actually to start projects. They need to be responsible about big projects. Like, for example, how about having a project between you and your friends to start, for example, raising awareness about a topic within the surrounding community. So you give them that responsibility of a bigger project, and with the responsibility comes accountability, and then you discuss the accountability with them. There is always have to be a responsibility that we communicate with our children, expectations, and then sit down with them to do reassessment of what has been done. That has to be part of our raising of our children. We should not be parents who are always trying to provide our kids with everything they need. We need to be parents who grow the responsibilities of our children so that we can grow their accountabilities and discuss with them so we can grow them. Don't think that, for example, if your daughter is 15 years old, to do good for her is to make her just be in her room just studying, and you provide her with everything. The daughter needs to start taking responsibility in doing the chores of the house. And so she will be accountable for that, and you increase the accountability as they go. So my advice for all the parents or their children to have a plan based on the age, what responsibilities we want to give them, and so discuss with them the accountability for these responsibilities. This is how we grow the accountability of our children. May Allah make us from those who really raise accountable children for this time. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.